no! I'm turning to mush! Help! I'm wilting away! I'm freezing solid!
Humans make the same fridge mistakes every day. And you're probably doing them too. I used to be fresh. Now I'm just sad. Same here. Humans think the fridge keeps food fresh. Today, we're breaking down the biggest fridge mistakes people make. Let's start with the most common one. Something almost everyone gets wrong. The temperature inside the fridge. It's not the same everywhere. And that's where the problems begin. I might drip on everything below me.
Oh no, not the salad!
I knew this would happen.
It's dripping! Save me! Move, everyone, move!
I can't take this anymore. Raw meat belongs on the bottom shelf, always.
I'm getting wet! Save me! Someone move that chicken!
This causes contamination and food poisoning risk. I didn't mean to ruin anything. Even a small drip can spoil everything below.
Why is this always happening?
Remember, raw meat belongs on the bottom shelf. Sorry, I'll stay on the bottom shelf.
I'm too cold here!
Why am I freezing?
I'm spoiled too fast! Oh.
Put your dairy and sauces in the right zones. Double check your fridge door before closing it. It's getting too warm in here.
I can't breathe!
I'm freezing while you're warm up there. Spread items evenly to keep everything cool.
Now everyone stays fresh and happy.
Check your fridge temperature and don't overcrowd it.
We're too squished, the air can't move.
I spoil too fast. Give everything room and air will circulate.
Now everything stays fresh longer. Uh-oh, I feel funny.
This gas is ruining me!
Why am I wilting too?
Keep fruits and vegetables apart!
Now everyone stays fresh and happy.
Uh-oh, what's dripping?
A small spill can ruin everything below.
I'm ruined!
Always use sealed containers for liquids.
No more mess, everything stays safe.
I just got washed. Is this okay? I feel soggy already.
Why am I getting bad so fast?
Because we're wet. Water makes us rot faster. Always dry your produce before storing it. Much better now. Finally, we'll stay fresh longer. Remember, wash, then dry before storing.
You've been using your fridge wrong.
And now you know why food goes bad.
Fix these mistakes.
Like, subscribe.
And tell us your fridge horror story.